Something's not right. Something's not right. Something's not right.
Hey, Greg, is that a fuselage or are you just happy to see me?
Yeah, dear.
All right, and we're rolling.
Damn red plane flying again.
Take two.
Take two.
Take two.
And the prop's a little tighter.
We need to tighten to write down here what, you know.
Yeah, we gotta get some.
Gotta get some chalk.
Can't afford it yet. We haven't got enough 17 cents.
Well, my daughter's got some chalk in the garage.
Hold on a minute.
This was required.
I gotta strip off this shirt.
Full throttle.
Are we ready, men?
I think it's a fake.
Are we ready?
Manly man.
I'm ready. But I did have to cut out part of the wing support to put the speed control in it.
Oh, good. Weak wing.
It is a weak wing, but I tried to fill it back with epoxy. Once I cut it out, I realized it was the support for the...
I haven't got much more than the half throttle yet.
Well, you gotta fly it full because that's the only way it might fly.
That's right.
Yeah, that's the only way to test it.
Trim it out. Now I gotta give them to it all.
Tweak it.
Are we ready for the full throttle?
Yeah.
I am. It needs more power.
Stop.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
It's not
Come on,
fun.
spiral down.
Yeah, death spiral.
Where'd it go?
Do an outside loop.
Now I lost it for a second. I was like,
There you go. Come on, faster, 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 faster. Come on, lower, 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 lower. Ah.
that's perfect.
Yeah. Outside loop.
It's already upside down. That damn Zero pilot's in there.
Well, you ready to throw the four cell in it?
Hey.
Outside loop.
Outside loop. That did it.
Okay, touch and go.
Let you go.
Touch and go.
I don't get it now. Everybody's putting these bigger batteries on these motors that are rated for like 12 volts.
Hey, coming a little lower.
Really good right now.
So you're under flying it right now.
No, I want it to go faster because that other plane I already have goes.
Yeah, I always thought that you changed the prop and not the battery.
You ready for a good violent maneuver?
Yeah.
Battery, I'd go with the smaller prop.
Three cells.
You gotta get it up there.
Your RPM is going to increase.
Yeah, but if your motor's only rated for 12 volts, or
Here we
11,
go.
12 volts, and you're running a 14.1, eventually you're gonna.
That's it.
Oh, yeah.
No, that motor.
That's
motor's
it?
made for either one.
Yes, it didn't do more. It needs
Well,
more.
they're all made for either one. If
I
it's
tried
a
to
four
spin
cell,
it, but
you
it wouldn't
put a
work.
three cell
Yeah.
on it, but
Let me
you
try
can't
it
do
again.
the opposite.
No, it's made for a 4 cell and it has a 3 cell.
Go that fast.
But I was going to say, that's
Well, that's only because the plane I have at home is supposed to be
Oh,
like
that's
130.
weak.
So, you know, I need to jump one of these up to at least to 100.
Maybe I
That
can
was my
add some
hope,
power.
but obviously,
There you go.
obviously
Yeah,
that
add
didn't
power.
work.
Add power,
You
man.
have the 8.3 or the 8.6? So wait a minute, you didn't have a prop saver?
That's the
You have a
8.6.
prop saver.
I had a prop saver on it.
There you go.
Whoa, dude, that was it. I'd had some power for that one.
That was good. Touch and go.
Touch and go.
Touch and go.
Over the cars, touch and go.
Yeah. Go inverted low pass.
Shut
Inverted
up
low
over
pass.
there. Hey, no one wants to see Greg wreck the plane but you.
Inverted low pass. I don't think that's true. I don't think that's a true statement. I think everybody's kind of hoping inside.
William needs some work.
Nice.
That was a touch. There you go. There it goes. All right.
I think deep down inside, everybody hopes for a crash. That's why everybody watches NASCAR.
What?
Oh, something's not right. Something not right.
Who wants to fly it? Bud, you want to fly it?
I'll fly it in and tape it.
Something's rattling.
Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Straight line.
I'd say that's pretty fast, Mike.
Yeah, I think
Go
that's
into a
fast
dive
enough.
and go full throttle, Greg.
Dive in full throttle?
Yeah, throttle it. Oh, you don't
Well,
want to
not
do
like
that.
that. You're going to shear my wing off. Too late. What part of that? I had to cut out one of the wing supports.
Too late.
They're like seeing how much stress.
How many G's can she take?
All right, we can hold it.
Oh.
That was a 7-point G pull out. All right, I'm gonna land it over here. I'm gonna land it on into the wind, guys.
Come on, just this thing will land anywhere, Greg. Just, downwind. Come on, downwind. Come on, real pilots can go downwind.
Allie. Go get it.
And
How's it
cut.
fly?